Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can probably see by the title, I'm dyeing my hair, and you guys probably know more than me what I'm doing because I'm still undecided. I did decide that I think I want to try to do like this front part a different color than the rest, and I'm pretty sure I'm doing pink back here, but I don't know, I'm between blue and lavender for the front, so I still need to figure that out. But yeah, I just thought I would try something a little different, and I finally cut my hair. I had been saying forever that I needed a haircut, and then I finally just did it myself. So it's not perfect, that's why. But yeah, let's go look at the colors that I have and choose what I'm gonna put on my hair. Here at the new house, I organized all my dye into these drawers, and it's so satisfying to me. And my little bowls and stuff, but look at that, there's more back there. But I'm thinking I just go for, where is it? One of these. Maybe I should like put the color on top so I can see it. Did I miss it? Where is virgin pink? There we go. I think we just do this for the pink. And then maybe do this if we do blue. Or what else do I have? I have some leftover girls' night. Ooh, this could be pretty. Another option if I want to do the lavender is to mix these two. That'll also give me lavender, or I just do that. I'm so torn about whether I should do blue or pink, because I feel like blue will stand out more and the lavender will just complement the pink more. So I guess it's whether I want it to like not blend, but just like go well together, or if I do want the front piece to stand out. These just look so pretty together. Like, look at that. So I'm sorry if the lighting in here is pretty yellow. It's weird because in person it doesn't look yellow, but I feel like it looks yellow on camera. But I mean, I'm in the guest bathroom, so I'm gonna move over to my bathroom anyway, and hopefully the lighting is better in there. All right, is this better? I think it is, but I don't know. I mean, my hair looks less yellow here, so I think this is better. All right, guys, I think I've decided to just do the lavender. It's just, I can't resist how pretty these two look together, like when I just see the bottles. So I'm gonna do that, and if the lavender doesn't show up very well or something, then maybe I just do the blue over that. So I'm gonna get changed, and I'm gonna section my hair and all that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm thinking like that much. Like this? Not too thick. When my hair is like normal, it would be like that much. I think that's good. I'll have to try to do the exact same on this side. I already feel like that's not right. I think these two pieces here, I think that's pretty good. It's so hard to section short hair. Honestly, I might just do one big section up top and one at the bottom, and that's it. Looks like I'm actually doing a hairstyle. Like that with the bangs. I'm so out of breath. We went to the old house to pick up a few things that were still there, and we're still not done. We need to go back one more time. There's still a few random things left, but I'm just tired. Moving is exhausting, but I'm very excited to be doing a hair video in a new place. I still don't know what will be my normal setup for filming these videos. I feel like this is a little weird. You can like see into the bedroom. I mean, I don't know, it's okay, but we'll figure it out. All right, we have this section, and probably will make it a little smaller. Tie this up and then just let it down little by little. I'll start there once I get to the back, but I do think I'm gonna get these pieces out of the way. Oh, I just realized I need another bowl. BRB. All right, have another bowl. So this I'm not mixing with anything. Girls' Night by Arctic Fox. So I'm just gonna pour some straight into here. I actually do not have much of this left, but it should be enough just for these two pieces. It's my leftovers from when I did all of my hair. So have that, and hopefully this is dark enough for my hair, because the last time I used this color, my hair was like a really perfect level 10 platinum. And right now I know that in some areas my hair is still a little bit stained. But I feel like the front part is pretty good. So I don't think we should have issues. Dang it, I forgot gloves. Be right back again. Okay. Maybe I'll use a brush for this. Try to be a little more precise. I don't think I've ever done something like this where I had to make sure the colors were separate at the top. I've done like color melts, but that doesn't matter as much because you are trying to blend the two colors together. So hopefully I can do this well. Let's see. Do that right on there. Okay, so far so good. I guess the top part is the most important part to get like perfectly, then the bottom should be easier honestly with my hands. Okay, actually I just realized it honestly might be easier to just combine these two and keep them towards, like pulled towards the front. Not gonna look great, but I think this will be a lot easier. Now, I'm gonna go in with my hands, start applying it to the rest of the hair. Well, the rest of the bangs. Are they bangs if they're the same like length as the rest of your hair? Probably not. What do you call this? Your front pieces. I know when you're like making it blonde or like a balayage or something like that, you call it like the money pieces, but are they always called money pieces or only when you make them blonder? I have no idea. All right, well, it's pretty saturated. I actually think the color will take. I am gonna try to clip this up somehow without getting the purple on the rest of the hair. There we go. All right, now for the pink. For the pink, I am gonna be diluting it. This is Virgin Pink by Arctic Fox, and I'm gonna be using this white conditioner. I'm just gonna make it pastel, as always. Oh, I just spilled conditioner. I'm gonna put a bunch of this. I keep running out lately, but my hair is shorter now. I don't want that to happen, so I'm gonna just make a lot. If I have leftover, I can just keep it in the shower and use it as like a normal conditioner to maintain my color. All right, now I'll put in a bit of the pink. For now, just that much. I do like this color, but I'm worried I don't have enough. So I think I'm gonna put in more conditioner and then a little bit more pink just to get more of it. Okay. This should be plenty, and I like the color. It's like a bubblegum pink. Now, time to apply. Alrighty, start back here. And I know if you watch my videos, you guys have seen this a million times, so speed it up as usual, you know, add some music or something, and I'll see you guys at the end of this. Do you guys see this color and then this color? I think it's gonna look so cute. Fingers crossed. Okay, so my battery just died and Kale had to connect it for me, but it's too far from the outlet over here, so a little change of angle, but still doing the same thing. So let's continue the time lapse. So apparently, when you have the camera plugged in, that's not enough to keep the camera alive and record at the same time, so it died again. So I just went ahead and finished most of it, but now I'm on to the end, and I don't know, I just thought I'd show you guys. I mean, I was just very precise right here, and same on this side, just being careful that, like, instead of doing it down like I normally do, I'm just doing it kind of like back, so I don't accidentally get pink on the lavender part. But that was actually very quick. I forget how much faster this is when my hair is so short. I really like it. And now, on to the last piece. So yeah, just make sure it's separate. I don't think I got any pink here or any lavender there. Well, except that one time, but I immediately wiped it off. So I think we're good. We should have a nice, clean line. I'm gonna put a little like shower cap thingy. Leave it on for about an hour and then rinse it and show you guys. I really hope this works because I'm very excited, but we'll see. All right, see you guys later. Okay, it's been like an hour. I think it's been a little longer actually. I'm gonna rinse it. I don't know if at this point the colors can still like mush together. So I think what I'm gonna do is like rinse this first, try not to touch this, and then rinse this forward. And yeah, and then I'll probably show you guys how everything looks tomorrow, because I feel like by the time my hair dries, it's gonna be kind of late. It's gonna be kind of dark. So tomorrow I will show you guys how it turned out, and hopefully it's good. Are you guys ready to see? How cute! I'm so happy the colors actually like, you know, are showing up on my hair. I love the combination of the lavender and pastel pink. I'm like so obsessed. I love it. I actually think it also look really cute when I like do like waves. It's just that with my hair this short, I haven't really been doing that because it's kind of a pain to curl short hair. I feel like I almost always burn myself because it's like you barely have hair to like hold on to. But yeah, anyway, I am in love with my hair. I really like it. Let me know what you guys think. Also, my hair just feels so nice. I feel like after I cut it and I finally got rid of all those like really dead ends, it just looks so much healthier. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, leave me ideas down below. What else should I do with my hair? Let me know. Okay, bye!